Alright, in the woods. Oh, something wet now. I just got to visit this. But I do this at 8. Just when did they even get this? This all is the bell. Okay, I just really hello. Check the video. Check the video.
As tempting as chocolate, as indulgent as gold, or as subtle as black, spray on attraction. For every kind of man, Axe Fragrance
Some.
also available in roll-on.
I need to check it. Oh, this is a sea. Well, if I go down there, I need outfit. This is
When it comes to what men
ever.
want,
Okay,
we went back to
let's
things.
go.
Men like a
I just want to say something really quick because I was born from that. When I was just here, for that. I was just kidding. I was born from that. Lover guys and I was so freaking shy. It's got my way. So I just wanna say something. But sometimes I was shy.
Yung una muna ninyo pinag-aralan. Yung una. Di yan.
I just want to say something really quick. I just want to say something really quick, and it was for all from that. I was born from now, maybe I was number from that. I was born. No, I just. Just come away. That tune on his other son. So I guess it's okay.
Pati ballpen ko. Wow, wala ako. May ballpen ako dito eh.
He's with me. Okay. Guys. I just run by him for a little bit. Good thing I do have this with the old beauty me. Oh yeah, I date myself. Oh my gosh, that was so great. Oh, hold on. I don't know how it's okay. You want this one because I really just swim from the darkness of the swamp. I was just
Yan. Dito muna tayo bago yun.
How much so? If I was born from New York,
Babasahin muna natin yan.
and that was a nice. Let's go.
Alam mo ba ang answer dyan? Masiran mo. Ito itong yung scratch.
Oh, what is this? I just clicked. It's okay. What?
Ngayon na ako kasi.
I just want to say something really quick because I was born from where I did.
Ano? Anak, anak. Dito ka. Dito. Akan na.
I always make a big box of it. So, can
Dapa pa ka. Dapa.
there. Ooh.
Find the sum. Hindi yun.
Because I get that much
Plus
HP.
19.
Yeah, I get totally. Or maybe, yeah, no.
963
Let's go.
Plus
Oh, okay.
355
Yeah, be here. It's all the purpose I have.
277.
No, it's some more.
158
Red.
plus
Ah.
99.
Ouch. Can I
436
181.
plus
100.
189. Sir mo. Alam mo ba?
Dito ka lang kasi may...
Dito ako magsisimula. Dito. Oh.
Mga parang ball.
Hindi! Paisa sa'yo. 9 plus
that
2.
makes
10 ay 11.
Tulad no.
sour.
1. Hindi! 1.
I don't think.
Kikiri mo dun
Wow.
yung 1. Ilan ito?
1 ay 11.
Ito na. Ito. 3 plus 1.
Yeah, mas ban.
4.
Oh. Tapos isama mo tong isa. Yung kineri mo.
Dito.
Hindi! 3 plus 1
How
equals.
down my ayak?
Oh. Tapos itong isa pa. Plus mo. 4 plus 1. 4 plus 1.
Light. Gray.
5.
Oh.
4.
Interesting. Oh, I have one.
Di ba 3 plus 1 equals 4. Tapos meron kang isa doon. O di 5. Oh. Tapos ito ibababa mo yung 8. Tatapat mo doon ng 8. Doon. Yan. Di ba tuturo ko sa'yo?
Is
Tuturo ko sa'yo. Hindi. Di ba 9 plus 2 equals.
11.
O, di ba isa lang ang pinasulit ko
So,
dito. Ilalagay mo doon yung isa.
That's
Now,
makes
that's
very
3 plus 1.
that.
4.
Sasama mo yung isa.
5.
Yun. Yan. Sir, 851. Ito. Ito ako magsisimula. 7 plus 3.
Hindi 10.
0 lang. 0! Hindi!
Ay,
Bilang.
ako mo lang.
Ano ba yan? Bit
I
wala
need
kang...
to go
Ano
and
yung pambura ko? Ano yung pambura sa bag?
climb.
Sabag mo o sabag ni ate may pambura akong nakita doon.
Ano ako?
Pambura mo.
I want. Oh, ouch. Wait. What flower is this? Oh. Well, okay, so I need to go and that it all who's the most.
Ben, si Bibi Boy magsasara pa, hindi ayusin.
Denta, no.
Mama, pinapaano mo pa ako? Ngayon na nga ako.
Kamamain trap, patay mo na yan.
Oh, red.
Yan.
Okay.
Diba? 7
Go
plus
and
equals
make my
10.
hair red.
Oh, saan mo ilalagay ang
So, I
1?
can
Saan mo
go
kikiri?
and make
Yan.
more.
Good, oh. Ito, 6 plus 4. Plus 4.
So sticky.
Ano? Oh. Plus 1. Plus itong isa.
11.
Isa lang. Dito mo sa 9. Eh, magkakamali ka talaga dyan.
Eh di, alam ko.
Oh, ilan yan? 9. Plus 1. Okay. Biboy, tinuturok tarang tayo. Halika, tingnan mo. Ha?
Oh
Diba? 3
my
plus 7
god.
is 10.
Daughter.
Carry 1.
Oh my
6
God,
plus
oh my
4
God,
equals plus 1. Tingnan mo. 11. Doon natin ilalagay yung 1. 9 plus 1. Dito mo
But
ilalagay ang
it's okay,
10.
it's okay.
Yan.
Still not just my
10.
outfit.
Yan.
Ah,
Hindi.
nice. It looks nice.
5. 5 plus
Next,
7.
I think I'm gonna like this one much better.
Dito!
So let's go
Dito!
and the pink.
Dito sa 8. Tapat ng 8. Tapat ng 8.
Let's go and make the Spartans. I was just
8 plus 7.
I'm gonna do this magic.
Sige, sige.
1,
Pink, pink, pink.
1,
Hindi, bilangan na. 1, 2.
2, 3, 4,
Special outfit.
6, 7, 8,
Oh,
9,
okay.
10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
15. Sa maglalagay ang 1. Hindi. Yan.
Tattoo on his other side.
3 plus 2.
So I guess it's okay. Oh my gosh, this looks like more bad more than
3 plus 2.
but it's okay. But it's okay. I still
3
like it
plus 2.
because
Bilangan
it's
mo
a
maigi yung
like
hands
pink
mo.
in. So
3 plus 2.
I love the ball.
yeah,
Oh.
looks
And
silly.
6.
Very good.
So
Medyo naiintindihan mo na na.
I kinda like
Dito naman.
Uy,
the
ma,
pink
Wala yung ano dyan.
better
Dito naman sa kabila.
because it has a
9 plus 8.
So I think I can make some other yeah. Roll me up, so subscribe and like and do not forget to be us. Share the video
Ano? Ano?
by
Ano?
YouTube.